Addu, today Addu is going to learn how you can keep the details about how many necklaces are there, like that, in Excel, so that when the customers are asking, is there any black necklace, is there any blue necklace, you can come here and check. So we will update. Today we will update some of the necklace sets detail. Okay? Okay, Addu? Yeah. So first you have to open Excel. So yeah, first yes, and then where is Excel? Find it. Yes. Very good. And then this is the first heading you have to add. Yeah. How many green sets? You can update the number that is written here. Yes. Now, next set. So who is updating according to the color? Yes. How many sets are available now? How many yellow sets? Look here. How many yellow sets? Yes. And now you have to type the total number. So write. Yeah. So Addu wrote total sets. To find total, which one we have to take? Yes. Yeah. Enter. So Addu got the total number of sets. Now you can save this data. Okay. To save, wait. So you can save like this. Okay. Come. File. Yes. And then you can enter the name of your file. We can put as necklace 1. Okay. Yes. Space 1. Yeah. Now you can save here. Yes. So Addu's data is saved in Excel for few necklaces, and remaining necklaces also we will add like this. So that when customers are asking, you can come here and check how many black necklace, how many blue necklace, like that. Okay? Yeah. Good learning.